Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, and today I have a special guest host, sous chef, and his name is Daniel.
Hey.
So we have an appetizer for you, a pizza appetizer with tomato. We're doing with a tomato basil wrap. And so this is what it looks like. And Daniel's gonna cut out a few hearts. We have a heart cutter. And here's the tomato basil wrap. And here are the ingredients for it, which is our pizza sauce and our fresh mozzarella and our pepperoni. Here's our vitamin content. And then also, Daniel and I are gonna make a salad, which contains raspberries and chocolate, because Daniel loves chocolate. So what he's doing, I'm just dumping our raspberries in here, just our chocolate, and our silver almonds. And once Danny's done with doing his pizza, he'll make the salad dressing. So I'm just gonna mix this up while he's doing that. And the chocolate and the silver almonds, yay. Okay, so then Daniel's gonna put this in the oven. But before he does that, he's gonna do our dressing, extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of Marsala wine.
Yeah.
3 tablespoons of balsamic glaze. 1 tablespoon?
1 tablespoon.
Of our honey. So Danny has made his dressing and he's gonna pour it all on our wonderful salad.
Alrighty.
And it's red because of the raspberries in it. So it gave it a lot of flavor. Some salad. And here are a list of ingredients. So
This is nice. I like the pizza one. Tastes like pizza.
Good. This is a really good dressing.
Okay, this is actually good. I actually like this.
And that chocolate is everything in here, and the raspberry, it's so delightful because you get that little bit of, from the dressing, a little bit of the tanginess from the balsamic glaze. You get a little bit of the sweetness, of course, from the honey, and as well as the raspberry. Totally delectable.
It was 10 out of 10 salad. This is my. I haven't had a salad this good.
So we have petite tenderloin fillets here, wrapped in bacon, which you all know if you watch me, I love bacon. And we are gonna make macaroni and cheese, which Daniel also loves. So let's get started. What we had was some chicken stock here. We put a little bit of salt and black pepper. The water's already boiled. Again, if you don't have chicken stock, you can use vegetable stock, or you can use just plain water, salt, black pepper. So you're gonna put the macaroni inside the water. That's right, all the way close down. Very good, Danny. And generally, if you're going to make mac and cheese, a lot of times one of the defaults I realize when people are making mac and cheese is that they overcook their pasta. You really should undercook your pasta because you're going to have milk added to it. It's going back in the oven. It's going to cook again. And I think it's one of the worst things when you have an overcooked pasta. And we drain our pasta. Danny, go ahead and we have 2 tablespoons of butter.
Want me to mix that up a little
Yes,
bit?
mix it up. Mix it up. For half of your cheese, yeah, you have gloves on. You use your hands. Best tools in the house, right? I always say that, Danny. You want to put all the red bell peppers.
Alrighty.
And try to mix some of that up.
I should.
Now you may want to kind of get a little down and dirty. You need 2.5 cups of evaporated milk. A cup of heavy cream. So put the rest of your cheese in it.
Oh boy. Alright.
You got this. You got this, Danny. So Daniel is going to show you how to assemble the mac and cheese.
Alrighty, so first we're going to fill out the little bottom part.
What do you
After that, breadcrumbs.
Okay.
Right, we're going to spread the breadcrumbs on top here. My gloves are a little messy, but that's alright.
It's all going in the same place, so it's okay. Then
After that,
Parmesan.
Going all along on top of the breadcrumbs there.
And then you want some more cheese.
More cheese. Oh boy.
And then you want to put your layer of pasta.
Another layer of pasta. It's almost like a sandwich.
Yes.
Nice coating of more
Cheese.
this 3 cheese thing.
Okay, and this is a mix of mild and sharp and white cheddar. And then we're going to put a little bit of shaved Parmesan. Okay.
Alright.
And that's how we assemble our mac and cheese.
Look at our heart-shaped mac and cheese. It's so cute.
It's about 5 tablespoons of butter in here. And your rosemary. You don't want to do your seasoning beforehand because you don't want to draw out any moisture from it.
Pinch just like,
Yeah, just, so you can get a little bit more.
Okay.
Your black pepper.
Alright.
Where's your elder provence? Here you go. Okay, you want to season that side. Your little salt.
Full salt.
Okay. Your black pepper. Where is your elder provence? Yes, put that good stuff on there, Dave.
Get all that butter.
Yes. So we're going to get this in the oven.
Look at this beautiful plate of beef tenderloin wrapped in bacon, our heart-shaped mac and cheese and broccoli garnished with rosemary and bacon.
Create a 5-star dinner. We have our beef tenderloin all done. Our heart mac and cheese. You see, guys? The shape of the heart? It's garnished with bacon.
Bon appetit, right?
Bon appetit.
Yeah.
Yours is nice and pink. Jenny. That butter is everything, let me tell you. The herbs de Provence, everything. This is totally a delicious Valentine meal. Well, look at this beautiful cookie balls. We had cream cheese that we had diced up some strawberries in, and we put that as our frosting base so it would not be dry, so it would be nice and moist that he could roll them. Now, the only thing is that you do, once you take them out the freezer, you do want to let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. We use Ghirardelli white chocolate as well as milk chocolate as well as dark chocolate. And all we did was coat the chocolate, like I said, with some either crushed pistachio or some crushed walnuts or crushed pecans or a little bit of decorative pink candies.
Alright, so this is what you're going to have after you blend up your Oreos, right?
And you added the cream cheese
And
to
you
it.
added the cream cheese to it, right? So that it's kind of like this nice rollable mix. It's nice ball shape, right? All right.
Bon
Bon
appetit.
appetit.
Just like cake, really moist, beautiful.
Look how moist these cookie balls are. And you see the strawberries all inside? Yum. Look how moist our chocolate cookie balls are. They taste absolutely delicious.
Don't forget to give us a virtual hug by clicking the like button. Subscribe, so you can see all the new content that we put out weekly. And share. All of this love that we have to share, you want to share with other people as well. And comment. We want to hear from you. We want to know what you're enjoying. We want to know what you did.
Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.